Guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you my top 5 tips to organize your purse, some of which are with Dollar Tree items. Stay tuned. It has been years since my first Dollar Tree purse organizing video, and wow, have things changed since then. Throughout this video, I will be showing everything that I like to carry in my purse. I know everyone's needs are different, and currently I like to keep things in my bag as minimal as possible. My current purse has an outside pocket where I like to keep my cell phone. There are 2 zippered sections at the sides where I can store stuff if I need more room, but currently I don't use those sections. It has 3 smaller pockets on the inner sides of the purse. Those contain earphones, mints, and gum, and sanitizer. I have my Dollar Tree sunglasses in a separate pocket, nice and cushioned against some tissues. One tip that I had shared all those years ago was to have an outgoing bag. Still, I continue to use this system with a makeup pouch from the Dollar Tree. What is this for? I use this to hold on to papers that I need to shred or file, like important receipts or donation slips from the Goodwill. I use it to throw away items if I can't find a trash can, so expired coupons or gum wrappers. This is a really great way to keep the purse clean. I also use the pouch to exchange items, like if I want to rotate out a lipstick, or if I end up with too many hairbands or bobby pins or bows, mostly from my daughter. And I also put in here reusable masks that need to be washed. Since those are dirty, those go inside a separate Ziploc bag inside the pouch. Because this is meant to be emptied periodically, it's important that it's thin and lightweight, and being fairly water resistant is a plus too. Another tip, keep a charged power bank handy. Why is this an organizing tip? Because using my cell phone cuts down on all the extras in my purse. Like many of you, now I use my phone for a lot more these days. It's all backed up to the cloud. I like having a fairly long cord, as I can actively charge my phone while using it. As a side note, if you're looking for a power bank that lasts a long time, I love this one. I've been through several power banks, and this one I have found to be the most reliable. Another tip, I get annoyed when I have to keep rummaging around for stuff, so I almost always use pouches that are see-through. Dollar Tree has so many kinds in different sizes, as I'm sure you know, and you can look in the school supplies section too for clear pencil pouches. I really like this one to store my daughter's emergency supplies like her medication and items for her feeding tube, but I also include her own masks, disinfectant wipes, and I like these little outer pockets for her med list, some paper just in case for notes, and band-aids. Another tip, for items that you use but not more than every few weeks, try to consolidate them in 1 or 2 bags. One trick I use to keep less bulk is in how I organize meds. Dollar Tree sells different kinds of caddies for pills and craft beads, but I admit I still want something less bulky. If you only take meds occasionally, I think it's worth it to buy the travel packs, or you can use little vials like these from the craft section. If you don't want to use glass though, you can use the metal pill containers. I usually see those at the checkout aisle. Or you can reuse a plastic travel container, making sure to change the label if you need. In this pouch, I also have a tampon, cough drops, lotion, a travel-sized body mist that I refill a few times a year. I used to have a little perfume vial, but I found I went through those way too quickly. Just a few makeup products, so a compact with pressed powder, a couple lipsticks, lip liner, eyeliner, a pointed nail file, some pencils and pens, and my favorite on-the-go snack, especially since it's so thin and lightweight, some fruit strips. Now, if you have trouble finding your keys or wallet, lots of purses have straps with buckles inside to clasp them to the purse. But if your purse is like mine and does not have that, if you can, tie a lanyard to the corner of the purse to keep track of items that you can connect. Dollar Tree sells lanyards, but if you can't find them, use the strap from an old name tag, from a concert, race, or conference. Mine is from a Lauren Daigle concert I attended a couple of years ago. I know this tip seems so simple, but truly it has been a lifesaver for me. And you can have multiple lanyards if you need. And one bonus tip, debulk the wallet. When you go through your wallet or purse, ask yourself, do I really need this? There was a time long ago when I used to carry big, bulky wallets, but I realized it contained cards to stores which I only visited a few times a year, sometimes every few years. Business cards, membership passes to museums I didn't go to, or I only visited a few times a year, and my checkbook, which I never use outside the home, especially now that I use Venmo or PayPal if I need to give someone cash. Right now, I have my COVID-19 vaccination card, a coupon, cash, some coins, making sure to always have a quarter for the Aldi cards, my driver's license, library, and credit cards that I actually use, my health insurance stuff, AAA, and a couple of things that have personal meaning that were given to me, a 4-leaf clover and a prayer card. For cards and things you don't use all the time, but you want to keep them handy, keep them all in a coupon organizer so they are all together, and grab them on your way out the door. And that's it. Can you think of anything I forgot that you like to include in your purse? Everyone's needs are different, and that changes with time. You know, if you have a baby, toddler, your children get older, grandkids. But I hope you found something helpful during this video to apply to your own life. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.